Hi everyone, Nkiruoh here. Thank you for your love and support. We appreciate you. Today, I am going to share with you another yummy recipe, a smoothie that improves brain function. Without wasting time, let's do it. Half cup blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, and the body needs those antioxidants to get rid of free radicals that damage the cells. 6 walnuts. Some people want walnuts to be pre-soaked. Some say don't pre-soak them. I pre-soaked these for 4 hours in the fridge so that it will be easier for the body to digest and absorb them. Half banana. Ripe banana. Banana is loaded with antioxidants too. Good for the heart, good for the brain, good for the body, good for digestion. Cut them into slices and add in there. Half avocado. Avocado is rich. Avocado has healthy fats. Healthy fats contain omega-3s, which are very good for our health. Add half a scoop of plant protein. When you're buying your plant protein, ensure that they don't have fillers. This is what I'm using. I like Ben Kim's protein because they don't have fillers. So whichever plant protein you're using, ensure that they don't have fillers. Because with fillers, they are not good for the body. So I'm adding half scoop. The reason I'm using half scoop is because 1 scoop is about 110 calories. And I already have calories from other items. So half scoop is good enough. Another thing I'm adding is chia seeds. This is optional. Chia seeds are loaded with protein, fiber, which is good for digestive health too. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Add ice cubes. If you're using frozen banana, then you may not need ice cube. My banana is not frozen, so I'm adding 5 cubes of ice. And then water. You can add half cup of water, but I'm adding enough water to let this thing easily be blended. So when you finish, pour it in a glass and enjoy. If your smoothie is too thick, you add a little more water. If it's too thin, you can add additional ice cubes. Other than that, this is a perfect blend. This helps brain function. It's brain food to promote brain health. Try it. You will like it. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And activate the notification bell so you will not miss any of our videos. Until next video, this is Nkiruoh wishing you the best through life. Cheers and stay blessed. Bye-bye.